In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Xero. By the end, you'll feel confident raising a clear, accurate purchase order that your supplier can act on right away. Start by opening Xero and heading to your organization's homepage. From here, we'll use the Quick Create menu to begin a new order. Look to the top right of the screen and select the plus icon. This opens a small menu with common actions. Choose Purchase Order to launch a fresh order form. On the Purchase Order page, begin by selecting the supplier under Contact. Pick the vendor you're buying from so their details populate automatically. This ensures the order is addressed correctly and links to the right contact record in your reports. Next, set the date raised. This is the date you're issuing the order, and it feeds into approvals, reporting, and document sequencing. Use today's date or the date your internal policy requires. You'll see an order number field. Xero typically suggests the next number in your sequence. If your business follows a different numbering convention, you can overwrite it. Just keep the format consistent so your audit trail remains clean. Add a reference to provide extra context. This could be a quote number, a job, or project code, or any internal note your team uses to match deliveries and bills later. A concise reference saves time when reconciling. Choose a branding theme if your organization uses more than one template. The branding theme controls the look, logo, and default terms on the document. Select the one that suits the supplier or transaction type so your order appears professional and consistent. Now add your line details. If you maintain inventory items, click into the item field and search for the product or service code you're purchasing. Selecting an item can automatically fill in the description, unit price, and account. If you don't use items, type directly into the description field. Be specific about what you're ordering. Include model numbers, sizes, or service periods so nothing is left to guesswork. Adjust quantities, unit prices, and tax settings as needed to reflect your agreement. The clearer your description and amounts, the smoother your supplier's fulfillment and your later matching to bills. Take a moment to review everything on screen: supplier, dates, numbers, references, and line details. When you're satisfied that the order is accurate and complete, approve it using the Approve button at the top right. Approval finalizes the purchase order in Xero and makes it ready for your usual downstream process. That's all it takes to create a purchase order in Xero with confidence and clarity.